Hi guys, Kathy here. I want to draw your attention to something that's really, really important, and I mean really important. So on my video the other night, I touched upon the fact that by you not responding, even if it's a letter legally, if you don't respond to it, that's taken as your compliance. So with bills and laws been passed through the government, for example, if you don't send a letter or say, I don't agree with this, whatever, it's taken as you being compliant. So there's a new legislation in the works. It's on stage 3. It's at level 3. Level 1 and level 2 have already been passed. Okay, this legislation is the digital identity legislation. Now, I touched upon this in my last video with the EQR codes that, for example, Woolies and Coles will be bringing into their stores, which means that you will be using a QR code to pay for your groceries, etc., etc. Now, for those of us that know, Coles and Woolies are the only places really that people that haven't been can shop in. So can you imagine where this is going? Really important that you get onto this website and fill out a form. There is an actual option for people to say, I don't agree with this legislation. By not writing, it's saying that I comply. So it's really important that you get onto this. So I'm going to show you this actual website. The website is called digitalidentity.gov.au. So that's digitalidentity.gov.au, and it looks like this, okay? So when you get into the screen, what you do is you scroll down, and there's an option there that says, have your say on the draft of digital identity legislation. We are now, as you can see, in phase 3. Phase 1 and 2 have already been passed by the government. So it is really, really important that if you don't agree with this new digital legislation, identity legislation, which, as we know, will probably lead to a social credit system as is in China, and take away lots of your rights as a living man and woman, you need to get onto this ASAP. So the website is digitalidentity.gov.au. Then you scroll down and you say, go to the bit, have your say, and we've already done that. So then we go to scrolling down. It'll give you a few of the documents that will allow you to read up on this. And then you will get to go to the submission form. Now, after the submission form, you see your privacy and you'll be taken to first name, last name, all your details, etc. What you do is you create a Word document saying if you agree or if you don't agree to this new digital legislation that they're considering passing, and why you feel that it's good or bad. And there's an option down at the bottom for you to attach that file in question number 10. Guys, I can't express the importance of everyone having their say on this. As I said, by not writing and not filling out these forms, that is taken legally as compliance. So these bills will be passed and you'll go, hang on, I never agreed to that. Well, you did by not complying. So in order for this to stop, if you want it to stop, you must go to this website, fill out the submission form, and have your say, okay? So I can't stress enough how important this is. Please spread this to your family and friends. This is serious. We're already at level 3. Level 1 and level 2 have been passed because of people's compliance, which means people have not filled out the forms, didn't know where to go, how to do them, and then wonder why they're being passed, okay? If we can all get together in masses and fill out these forms saying whether we agree or we don't agree, then it's really important that these bills are passed based on what the public want, okay? And you do have a say, and I'm showing you how to do it, so please, please, please spread this to your family and to your friends. It only takes 5 minutes of your time, and I'll tell you what, it'll make a huge difference to your future if you do. All right, thanks guys, have a lovely day. Bye.